Dr. Mukul M. Sangma, TMC party ni leader of the opposition party wa azal gani bunga balsio Meghalaya ni chief minister bo acham wa uni Meghalaya ni chief minister o matango Congress party o acham Congress party o chief minister o ani jamano wa Congress party ni opposition o nagta o khata ha wa Congress party ni o khati TMC party ko raha tao TMC party ni Dr. Mukul Sangma has been joined the NPP party, ruling party in the government of Meghalaya. Now, NPP party na TMC party ni join kabani muksongani de maiba mungsa muksongani tungagata neka. Maina remind pa azagani khorchet tulsio general election o inga. Ye general election o ani sumayo mukhang changuba Meghalaya ni chief minister o ani chol donga. Mining gaman dalo Meghalaya ni government ruling party ko rkenga pa NPP party rang dao kongret ke sakma ko banga Meghalaya ni mandarang tentang daki nangani rang ko daki nakcengani ko nakengani gaman Dr. Mukul Sangma wa NPP party napa haida ya NPP party ni mukhang chango azagani khorchet plusio general election CM okna chance ko rainga ani chanchi swingar pengra